When you log into Realtime, click on the wheel, My Settings, and then choose Continuing Ed Credit under Professional Development. Once you're on this page, you're going to choose Add Hours. Okay, if you click on Location, you will see that they have a number of choices, such as a college or university course, and they have the names of the schools in the school district. If your professional development session did not take place in the school district, you could choose either a college or university course or other professional development organization. You're going to choose the little calendar icon and choose the date that you attended it. If you attended the session on a number of dates, you could just pick the first one. Under Activity, you're going to choose Other. Under Other Activity Description, you're going to type in the name of the PD session. Under Hours, you're going to type in the amount of hours you should have received from the PD session. Under Approved, you're going to keep No, and under PDP, you're going to keep Yes. Under Notes, you could add some type of information, like maybe the name of the instructor. Under Add Attachment, you should add some type of evidence that you attended that PD session, such as a PDF, a screenshot, or a document. As you can see here, I have a Google Doc of my evidence. If it's a Google Doc, you could just click on File, Download, choose PDF, save it to your computer. And then you're going to click on Add Files, choose your file, and like I said, this could be a screenshot, a PDF, or a Word document. Under Submit for Review, you're going to choose Yes, and then you're going to choose your administrator. As soon as you are finished, you're going to click on Add. So you could see here, this is the evidence that we just submitted. You could see the decision is pending. As soon as you clicked on Add, your administrator will get an alert on their Realtime, and they will either approve it or deny it. You could see here right now that it says Approved, Not Yet, because your administrator has not approved it yet. To view your professional development hours, you could always go back to the wheel, choose Continuing Ed Credit, and under this section here, click on the print icon, and you will see an entire listing of your hours. You can also print them if you choose.